Okay, right now you're seeing a house here that has a leaking problem. We've had a lot of rain the last couple of days, and seems like there's been leaking buckets in the front entrance.
Somewhere in the front entrance.
That's right. So we're just going to go up there and we're going to put 2 coats of this roof it, and it's going to permanently seal this leaking problem. So we're just going to go up there and we're going to start shooting. Let's go. Ready? All right. Here we seem to have a problem. This is where the leaking area is. Just around here. That's where it seems to be leaking buckets. At the entrance?
Near the entrance, that's right.
So here it seems to be, they applied some
tar.
All that tar. Just going to put a couple coats of the roof in this area. And since we don't really know where the leak is coming from, it could be from here, from anywhere up there. So we're going to probably coat the whole area, put 2 coats, and it should solve the problem. So let's go.
So it could be right here. Okay.
You ready? All right. Since we don't know where the leak is, well, it seems like the leak is coming from here, but it could be anywhere coming down. So what we're probably going to do is coat the whole surface of the section of this roof. We're going to put 2 coats here. So here we go.
So we're starting to apply on both sides of the roof.
Dry very quick when it's hot.
So we're going to apply some of the Roof It product over the old tar, which didn't really stop the leak.
Tar and shingle. Covers it all up.
Now we'll try to finish the rest of the side. Right now we're just going over the trouble areas we think may be causing the leak to come through the roof.
As you see here, we're coating the surface of the tar. Some of it is cracked from the weather and everything. We're going to put 2 coats over here, and it's going to permanently seal it. As you see, it covers the ugly color of gray and matches.
And it's very simple to apply, it's simply brushing it on.
Yeah.
It's like paint.
Wow, it's a bit of a blend, eh?
Yeah, beautiful.
You hardly ever see the color of the gray at all. Beautiful.
So we started to do a little bit on the top and a little bit on the side here where the tar was. This is where the leak is. So it's coming from the joining of the 2 roofs. So put roof fit coating on the edges, and we're going to put some more over the chimney and then the rest of the roof. See, we already started in the top there. We're applying the coat. First we did the areas near the chimney and the joint between the 2 roofs, and then we're going to finish it off. Now here's the finished roof that's just been coated with 2 coats. Hopefully it'll stop the leak that's been persistent on this roof. So the whole roof has been redone with 2 coats of roof it. Up to that area where the 2 roofs meet. The roof on the right was done 2 years ago, and the roof on the left was just coated with roof it. And this old roof was 15 years old. So here's the roof. We just finished coating. That's the second roof on the top. The roof so nothing should get through. See how thick the material is. So this is the house on top of the second roof, the tallest roof. We just did the application. Here too we've applied a green super coat product